Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Joven Passion, BS Stream 2 Block A. Today, I'm going to discuss the LIATO comparative models in policing. Comparative police system. CPS Science and Art of Investigating and Comparing Police System of Nations. CPS studies the degree of likeness and unlikeness of two policing models. Basically, it is the comparison of two different policing models. Theories of comparative policing. First is the alertness to crime theory. Alertness to crime theory states that as a nation develops, people become more alert to crime. And criminological theory that suggests that people's awareness of the risk of the crime can influence their behaviors and actions. And second is the economic or migration theory. Economic and migration theories are frameworks that explain why people move from one place to another. And third is the opportunity theory. Opportunity theory is a family of theories that explain how people commit crimes by coming across opportunities in their daily lives rather than actively seeking them out. Fourth is demographic theory. Demographic theory is a sociological theory that studies how population systems regulate themselves in response to available resources and external factors. Fifth is deprivation theory. Deprivation theory is a social science theory that suggests people may join social movements or engage in other actions when they feel they are being deprived of something they believe they are entitled to. Six is the modernization theory. Modernization theory is a theory that attempts to explain how nations transition from traditional to modern societies. And last is the theory of anomy. Anomy theory is a sociological theory that explores how a lack of shared values, standards, and rules can lead to deviant behavior and crime. And next is the types of police system. First is the common law system. Common law system refers to a legal framework that is based on tradition and practice rather than formal legislation. Second is the civil law system. Civil law system is the part of the legal system that deals with people's relationship, property, and business agreement rather than with criminal activity. Third is the socialist system. Socialist system is an economic and political philosophy encompassing diverse economic and social systems, characterized by social ownership of the means of production as opposed to private ownership. Last is the Islamic theory. Islamic theory is a set of social relationships that are built on Islamic principles and cover all aspects of a community. And next is the globalization. Globalization refers to the rapid of Western culture that ultimately affect their other cultures other cultures in the world as brought by intellectual and technological advances, in which some crimes occurring in other countries are attributed. Next is the transnational crimes. The crime that have actual effect across nation borders and crimes which are intrastate but which offend fundamental values of the international community. Next is an offense is transnational in nature if first is that it is committed is in more than one state. Second is it is committed in one state but the national part of its preparation, planning, direction of control takes place in another state. Third is it is committed in one state but involves an organized criminal group engage in criminal activities in more than one state. Fourth is it is committed in one state but has substantial effect in another state. Next is the study of different policing models around the world. First is the United States of America. United States of America, law enforcement in the United States is one of the three major components of the criminal justice system of America, along with courts and corrections. Policing in the United States is conducted by numerous types of agencies at many different levels. Second is the Japan. Second is federal level. Federal police passes full federal authority as given to them under the United States Code. Federal law enforcement officers are authorized to enforce various laws at the federal level. Federal police, the Department of Justice or the DOJ is responsible for most law enforcement duties at the federal level. It includes the Federal Bureau of Investigation or the FBI, the Drug Enforcement Administration or DEA, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives or the ATF, and the United States of Marshals and the Federal Bureau of Prisons or the BOP. And state police. Most state operates statewide government agencies that provide law enforcement duties, including investigations and state patrols. They may be called state police or state patrol and are normally part of the State Department of Public Safety. Next is the county police, also known as parishes and borough. County law enforcement is provided by sheriff's departments or office and county police. Second is the specialist police. These agencies can be transit police, campus police, airport police, park police, or police departments responsible for protecting government's property, such as the Los Angeles General Services Police. Second is Japan. National Police Organization or the National Police Safety Commission or the NPSC, National Police Agency NPA, undertakes the planning of police policies and systems, control of police operation on national safety issues, and coordination of police administration, while actual police duties are executed by prefectural police organization. Here are the example of structure of Prime Minister. And National Police Agency or the NPA. The NPA is headed by the Commissioner General, who is appointed by the National Public Safety Commission with the approval of the Prime Minister. The Commissioner General administer the agency's operations and supervise the control prefectural police organization. Next is the Imperial Guards. The Imperial Guards headquarters provides escorts for the imperial family and is responsible for the security of the imperial palace. National Research Institute Police Science. The National Research Institute of Police Science conduct a broad range of analysis, identification, and research work that requires specialized knowledge and skills in biology, medicine, and other disciplines. National Police Academy. National Police Academy holds training courses for senior police officers. Internal bureaus. Central office includes the Secretariat with divisions for general operations, planning, information, finance management, and procurement and distribution of police equipment, and the 5 bureaus. Administration Bureau concerned with police personnel, education, welfare training, and unit expectation. And Criminal Investigation Bureau is charge of research statistics and the investigation of nationally important international cases. Next is the internal bureaus. Traffic Bureau licensed drivers, enforce traffic safety laws, and regulates traffic. Security Bureau, responsible for security intelligence on foreigners and radical political groups, including investigation of violations of the Alien Registration Law. Communication Bureau supervises police communication system. Next is the local police organization. The Prefectural Public Safety Commission and the Prefectural Police Headquarters constitute the local police organization. Each of the 47 prefectures of Japan has one Prefectural Public Safety Commission and police headquarters, or the Prefectural Police Headquarters. And the Prefectural Police Headquarters for Tokyo is called Metropolitan Police Department and is the largest such prefectural headquarters in Japan. Cuban of police box. These are the example of Cuban or police box. And this is the Chuzaisho of or residential police box. And these are the comparison different police forces. And the United Nations. The United Nations, UN, is an intergovernmental organization to promote international cooperation. The headquarters of the United Nations in the Manhattan, New York City, with 193 member states. Languages uses. The 6 official languages of the United Nations used in intergovernmental meeting and documents they are. So first is the Chinese, Arabic, Russian, Spanish, French, and English. Secretary General. The UN's most prominent officers is the Secretary General, also act as the chief administrative officers, and he is Antonio Gutierrez. These are the example of General Assembly. A General Assembly decides on the admission of new members following proposal by the UNSC, adopts the budget, elect non-permanent members of the UNSC members of ECOSOC. These are the example of Secretariat. So Secretariat support the other UN bodies administrative. For example is the organization of conferences, the writing of reports and studies, and the preparation of the budget. These are the example of International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice decides dispute between states that recognize its jurisdiction, issues legal opinions, and renders judgment by relatives majority. These are the example of Security Council. Security Council responsible for the maintenance of international peace and security. May adopt compulsory resolutions. 15 members, 5 permanent members with veto power, and 10 elected members. These are the example of Economic and Social Council. Economic and Social Council is responsible for cooperation between state as regards economic and social matters. Coordinates cooperation between the numerous specialized agencies. Has 54 members elected by the General Assembly to serve staggered 3 years mandates. And these are the example of International Criminal Police Organization, or the Interpol. Interpol, or the ICPO, or International Criminal Police Organization, the world's largest international police organization with 195 members countries. Language use. Official language of the Interpol used in intergovernment meetings and documents they are Spanish, Arabic, French, and English. Structures of governance. The General Assembly and Executive Committee form that organization governance. Next is the General Assembly. Interpol's supreme government's body and compose it delegates appointed by each members of the country. Executive Committee. Elected by the General Assembly, it is headed by the President of the organization. It provides guidance and direction to the organization and oversees the implementation of decisions made at the annual General Assembly. Next is the General Secretariat, located in Lyon, France. It operates 24 hours in day, 365 days a year, and is run by the Secretary General. Secretariat 7 regional offices across the world, along with special representatives at the United Nations in New York and at the European Union in Brussels. Nation Central Bureau of, or NCBS. Each member country maintains a national central bureau linking national police with its global network, staffed by highly trained national law enforcement officers, or the NCBS, are the lifeblood of Interpol, contributing to its criminal databases and cooperating together on cross-border investigation and operations. And these are the Interpol, or the NCBS. Red notice. To seek the location and arrest of wanted persons with a view to extradition of similar lawful actions. These are the example of connecting police for safer work. Yellow notice. To help locate missing persons, often minors, or to help identify persons who are unable to identify themselves. These are the example. Blue notice. To collect additional information about a person's identity, location, or activities in relation to a crime. Next is the black notice. To seek information on identified bodies. Next is the green notice. To provide warnings and intelligence about persons who have committed criminal offenses and are likely to repeat these crimes in other countries. Orange notice. To warn of an event, a person, an object, or a process representing a serious and imminent threat to public safety. Purple notice. To seek or provide information on modus operandi, object, devices, and concealment method used by criminals. Special notice. Issued for groups and individuals who are the targets wanted of UN Security Council sanctions. These are the example of special notice. Next is the CENAPOL, or Asian Chief of National Police. Member countries: Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Laos, Vietnam, Brunei, and Cambodia. Objectives: Enhance police professionalism, forge stronger regional cooperation policing, promote lasting friendship amongst police officers of members of the country. Asinapol Conference. The Asinapol Conference shall be held annually on a rotational basis amongst members countries. The conference will be attended by the Chief of Police. The Secretariat. Ensure the effective implementation of all resolutions adopted as the Asinapol Conference.